Understanding issues of flooding in large catchments is quite tricky because they get very complex and there's lots of confounding factors on how water flows through them.
It was really kind of 20 years of working with the restoration organisations, the landowners in the Peak District, and knowing that there might be a hydrological impact that allowed us to conceive the Protect project. The idea really behind our work was, if you restore the peatlands in an upstream catchment, can you protect downstream communities? And that's one of the really exciting outcomes of the project.
I think half the battle with working with big teams is finding people that you want to work with and keep working with. And I think we definitely hit the jackpot with this project.
It was a team with a lot of different components. We had a brilliant field technician who took a lot of the measurements in the field. We had postdocs, we had investigators, we had PhD students. Everybody had their own bit of the project.
I've been working on it for over 10 years. I'm continuing to work on it and with the same people because I enjoy this so much and seeing the impact of the peatland restoration work.